Ibrahim, thank you so much for providing feedback about the program and what you have learned. But let me ask you this: what was one of the sessions that really kind of caught you by surprise? Something that maybe you didn't think before, something that was interesting that kind of stuck with you after the finish of the program?
Sure. I remember the one with the futuristic mindset and how to design and how to think in a futuristic way. It was something that I didn't think about at that time, and it was something that is inspiring and gave me an insights to think about things differently. Mm-hmm. So it was a mind-changing session.
Awesome. So, and so you mentioned something about, the interactions, right? And obviously when you're in person, you have this networking opportunities when you can talk and when you can share the ideas. So in your experience, do you think that the program was able to provide a level of networking that you felt comfortable with, that you were able to interact with your peers, with the workshop providers, with the lecturers? How did you feel about the interaction?
Sure. I remember there was so many sessions that was done during the group sessions that was done during the program, and it was designed in a way to cover the gap between the virtual and the in-person. It was designed to utilize the technology in terms of the Slack and the Zoom interaction, breakout rooms, to have this interaction between the team. And I recall that there were so many groups that even in the same organization, but without such a designed breakout rooms, we would not have such conversations with each other.
Yeah. So let me ask you this, and that's going to be my last question. So, when we think about those programs, we're kind of thinking about them in terms of the educate, and inspire. So which one do you think it was more of, or was it 50-50? Was it more on the inspiration side, or was it more on the education side, or was it kind of 50-50 deal?
Actually, the program was well designed to have the inspirations all the times coming from the guest speakers, coming from different industries. At the same time, the education is coming from Reinhold and the instructor at that time. So it was, we can say, maybe 40-60, 40 inspiration and 60 for the learning sessions.
Awesome. All right, Ibrahim. Thank you so much for giving that testimonial and being a client from Silicon Valley Innovation Center. So thank you so much and have a wonderful day.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me. Thank you.